Accoje, Vital and Jeju, Time Repair Eye Cream, 30 ml. Product Overview. Description. Restore vitality and moisture to soften rough, dry skin around the eyes by applying this rich, nourishing, eye repair cream. Other ingredients: water, butylene glycol, glycerin, caprylic, capric triglyceride, echinacea purpurea extract, cetearyl alcohol, dicaprylyl carbonate, 1,2-hexanediol, cyclopentasiloxane, butylene glycol dicaprylate, dicaprate, glyceryl stearate, hydrogenated vegetable oil, cyclohexasiloxane, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter, dimethicone, hydrogenated lecithin, PEG 40 stearate, polysorbate 60, stearic acid, arginine, carbomer, citrus limon, betel oil, tocopheryl acetate, xanthan gum, propolis extract, allobarbadensis leaf extract, centella asiatica extract, Eclonia cava extract, purpurea extract, adenosine, disodium EDTA, phenoxyethanol, ethylxylglycerin, chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower oil, citrus aurandifolia, lime, oil, citrus donose fruit extract, citrus paradisi, grapefruit, fruit extract, eucalyptus, globulus leaf oil, eucalyptus globulus leaf extract, Eugenia carophilus, clover, flower extract, Thumbs officinalis, mushroom, extract, Juniperus mexicana oil, Lavandula angustifolia, lavender, oil, Pelargonium graveolens flower oil, Rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf oil, Sephora angustifolia root extract. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.